Hello everyone, I am teacher Jim from last video. You see me, right? So today I'm gonna teach you about the 3 topics of earthquake, and I have 3 questions to answer. Okay, so the first question, what is earthquake? And the second question, where do earthquake come from? And when you met earthquake, how to protect yourself? So then, now what are we waiting for? So then, now let's start and answer all of these questions. So the first one is earthquake. An earthquake is the vibration of earth produced by the sudden rapid release of energy. Seismology. When an earthquake occurs, the elastic energy is released and sent out vibration and travel throughout the earth. These vibrations are called seismic waves. The study of how seismic waves behave within Earth is called seismology. And you know the causes of earthquakes. There are lots of causes of earthquakes, and the first one, rocks act the same way rubber bands work. 2. Applying stress to a rock will cause it to bend or stretch. 3. Stress causes the rock to deform. 4. When the rock cannot handle the stress, it eventually breaks. 5. The area in which a rock breaks is called a fault. 6. When the break occurs, energy is released. And 7. The energy causes the rock to vibrate, causing it earthquake. So that is all the causes of earthquake. And now let's go into the second question. So, where do earthquakes come from? Earthquakes come from the core of the earth. In the earth, the core are really hot. If you go there, there's no one who will gonna help you, because in the core, it's heated, and you should burn into crisp. And in the core, it's like the sun. When you go in, you need to wear suits and put a sturdy, and you should ride or drive a sturdy metal car or something to research down there, like a rover. So, in the core are dangerous, so be careful. Now, come to the third question. When you met a click, how to protect yourself? So, first, drop, cover, and hold on. If you're inside, drop to the ground and take cover under something sturdy, like a desk or a table. If you feel an earthquake, with one hand onto the object, and with your other arm protect your head and neck. If you don't have anything sturdy to take cover under, crouch down next to an interior wall. Stay indoors until the shaking stops and you're sure it's safe to leave. If you or someone you're with is hurt or injured, contact your local authorities for help. If you're outside, the safest place in an earthquake or during an earthquake is a clear and open space away from buildings and trees, street light and power lines. Drop to the ground and stay there until the shaking stops again. Pull over to a clear location when it is safe to do. Stop and stay there with your seatbelt fastened until the shaking stops. So that is all for today from my topic. So thank you for enjoying my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment more about my education from the teacher Jim.